I know your name, I know where you work, and I know your Instagram, your Facebook, and even your LinkedIn. And all I need is one photo of your face. And I'm not being creepy. That's a real app. It's live now. And honestly, this is not the only insane AI news this week. Hi, I'm Tanya and welcome to AI Ki Taza Khabar, your weekly dose of AI updates. So let's get started. Let's start with something that sounds small but is actually huge. Google just dropped their AI Edge Gallery, an app where AI runs directly on your phone. No internet, no cloud, and no tracking. But here's the real shift. This is not just an AI you use, this is an AI you own. And it can organize your files, summarize your documents, and manage tasks as well. And that too all offline. And the document you go online, it becomes even more powerful. This changes one thing completely. AI is no longer tied to the internet, but it's becoming more personal infrastructure. Next up is for the students. Adobe just launched their student spaces inside Acrobat, and this might quietly break the education system. You upload your notes, PDFs, PPTs, even handwritten pages, and AI turns them into flashcards, quizzes, mind maps, even full presentations. Plus, there's a chatbot trained on your material. So instead of Googling, you're literally talking to your syllabus. One night before exams, this goes from helpful to unfair advantage. So far, AI is helping you. But what happens when AI becomes smarter than you? This week, OpenAI didn't launch a feature. They released a warning disguised as a document. A 13-page roadmap about superintelligence, AI that outperforms the smartest humans, even when those humans are using AI. And Sam Altman is saying, we are not ready. They're talking about global policy changes, public wealth distribution from AI, and even large-scale cyber threats. This is no longer just a tech. It's the power of future. And now, back to where we started. That app. It's called Sherlock, and you upload one photo and it finds Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, everything. No name, no number, nothing. Just a face. Think about what that means. Anyone can find you, and this isn't innovation. This is a signal. Privacy is no longer default. It's optional. This week, we saw AI moving offline, AI surpassing humans, and AI that can erase your privacy. So this was AI Ki Taza Khabar. Subscribe for such more AI updates, and I'll see you in the next episode.